Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how we can create an automated data entry form as you see here. I have this database. If I just click the submit button directly, this data stored in here. Let's check. Just click submit. Let's check. You see directly the data, save it here. Again, if I add another data, monthly, batch time, evening, just I have only one data. If I just click submit, directly the data save it here. Also, if you add data here and if you want to remove it just or clear it, just hit clear all, directly it clears the data. Also, if you want to bring this form to the center, easily insert and you can bring it the form to the center. Now if you want to learn something like this, watch to the end. Let's get started. Just expand this cell, then from here write first name. Okay, then come to here, last name. Okay, here phone. Good. From boundary, select here, and from boundary add external boundary. Double click this format painter, format add boundary for this one, add boundary for this one also. Then if you don't have developer, just right click from here, customize the ribbon. Here check the developer. Okay, now developer tab must be appear here. Just click developer, then from remove this copy paste feature, then from insert we have this box, group box, insert, add group box here. Okay, rename, gender. Okay, then again from insert, bring this icon, option button, put it here. Then click this one and rename. Select male. Control right click and Control C, then Control V. Bring it to here, adjust its location. If you want to move their location, just Control and select it. Now you can move them, okay, as you want. Good. Control, okay. Control and select the group box. I make it smaller. Good. Now, from here, course. Then, from home, boundary, add boundary, external boundary. I want to add a drop-down list and put different options. Click here. Then from data, data validation. Data validation, select list. For example, Excel course, comma, AutoCAD training, AutoCAD training, data analysis. Okay, just okay. Now a small triangle appears here. If you click it, you will see all the options. For example, I selected Excel course. Again, I want to add from developer tab, insert group box from here. Rename it, click it and rename it payment. Payment. Then you can add selection button, hold Control and right click, then Control C, click here and Control V. It comes to here. Again, Control V. Bring this one to here. Rename it. This one. Monthly. To activate this one, hold Control and click this one. Rename it. Full payment. Okay. Okay. Again, click this one. Name it batch time. Add external boundary to here from home. External boundary. Then I want to add two options. So say click here from data validation list morning and evening. Okay. Now you see I have two options. Great. Just I want to change the name of this sheet. Right click, rename, forum. For example, you want to add a color. Okay, good. Change size of this cell, sorry. Good. Okay, now I want to add a button. From insert, shapes, I bring this round side, a button. Fill color, I change fill color to this color. Insert text, name it submit. Then from home, bring it to center and make it bold. Change size to 14. Select all, 14 and bold. Okay. Add another shape, smaller. Make fill color to red. Insert a text box. Name it clear all. From home, bring it to center, bold. Okay. Now select all from this small triangle. Then hold Control and deselect this area. This area, deselect it. Good. Then from fill color, add this color, this fill color. Then it appears like this. Then from view, uncheck grid lines. Now it appears more professional. You see? Good. Now let's create another sheet. Name it, rename, name it helper. Okay. Then come to here. Now select this title. Then hold Control. Select this title. Select this one. Select this one. Select this one. Then Control C. Come to here. Put cursor here. Control V. First name, last name, for phone. Here we have gender. Add another row. Right click. Insert row. Write gender. What's more we need? Come back to help. Here we have payment from helper. Click here and insert another row. Name it payment. Now we have to connect these names with the forum. Just from here, equal sign, come to forum, equal to the cell, enter. Now if I just add a name here, for example, my name, let's see, from helper directly the name comes to here. Also for last name equal this cell. Phone number equal this cell. Okay. For gender, it's a different technique. Come to forum, click this mail, hold control and click this here, then right click, format control, click cell link, come to helper, this cell, not this one, this cell, then enter. Okay. If I select mail, let's see what written here. 1. If I select this mail, just I have to change name for this one. Hold control and select this one, make it let's see. If I select it now, if I select female, let's see what happens. It become 2. But for male, it become 1. We have to formulate the cell. Just select the cell equal sign F. This cell equal to 1, comma, double quotation, male. Double quotation, comma, double quotation, female. Double quotation, close bracket. Now it's male. If I just select female here in the forum, directly in the helper written female. About chorus, just equal this forum, chorus, this one. For payment, we have to do the same again. Payment, hold control and click this selection button, right click, format control, select it, cell link, come to here, helper, click this one, enter. Okay. If I select this cell, let's check it written 1. If I select this one, it become 2. Let's check. Yes. Now add function if equal sign if this cell equal to 1, comma, double quotation, written fully payment, comma, double quotation, monthly. Let's check. 2, it become monthly. If I select this one, let's check. It become fully payment. Good. Regarding batch time, again equal sign, come to forum, select the cell. Great. Now I have to create another sheet and rename, right click, name it database. Okay. Now just from helper, select this text, Control C, come to here, select the cell, right click, paste special, values, transpose. Okay. Now select this column. Okay. Now add border. Okay. Bold, center, for example 12, and also add background, for example this color. Now it's good. What's more I need? From forum, I fill the forum. For example, Mohammed, phone number, mail, monthly, batch time. I select it, evening. Okay, let's check helper. All the data comes to here. Now, for example, I want to just change some properties of these entry boxes. Just select this one, hold control, select this one also. Good. For example, I bring it to center if you'd like center, you see, or to this side, add some indent. Okay. Also, you can make it bold. You can change the size and also text color. It's up to you. Good. Now, just from developer, record macro, name it submit. Okay. I have all the data. Now, just from database, come to here. Now, just come to here. From home, insert sheet row. Click this icon, format same as below. Then come to helper, select all of these data. Control C, come back to here, right click, paste special, value, transpose, okay. Then come to forum, delete. Delete all of these entry data and put cursors here. Just from developer, stop the recording. Okay. Now if I click here, nothing is happening. Okay. I have to connect this button with the macro. Just right click, assign macro, this macro. Okay. Now I just want to add the data again. For example, evening. Here I have only this data. If I click submit button, let's check. Directly the data, save it here. New data always becomes the first one. Good. If I add another name, for example, Muhammad, select it evening, and just I have to, here you see I have only two. If I just click submit, let's check database. The name is stored here in the database. Also, I want to activate clear all. Now it doesn't work. For example, I put just random data here, just to see how we have to do. Select it. Okay. Now, again from developer, record macro, name it clear all. There must not be any space in the name. Just, okay. Just delete these data. Delete. Okay, stop recording. Now, just click this button, right click, assign macro, clear all. Okay. Now let's check. For example, I add data. Let's check clear data. Clear all. You see, directly clears all the data. That's all. Have a nice time.